Hi, Year 4. Really great to be back with you doing the old Spanish. Are you excited? I'm super excited. So, today we're going to look at months of the year and numbers 1 to 31. Let me just share the screen with you right now. Here we go. Come on. I'm sharing. Phew. Okay. So, here we are. Oh, let's get back to the beginning. Oopsie. Right, I'm just going to move this over so you can actually see my screen. Super, super. Right, okay, so I have written the date on your whiteboard. I'm going to get this right in a minute. I'm too excited, basically, I'm just too excited. Okay, so on your whiteboard is the date for today. Maybe I'll make this just a bit bigger. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is going to be so amazing. So today's date, look there, you'll see how to do that. But you today are going to know the numbers 1 to 31 and the names of the months in Spanish. Okay, so here we go. Now then, why do you think I've put these two things together? The numbers 1 to 31 and the months of the year. Turn to your partner, have a quick chattage about that. Okay, as some of you might have guessed, and I'm going to move this again, we are going to learn how to write the date. Yes, okay, so the first thing to get right is the numbers 1 to 10 because that helps us with later numbers. Okay, so let's see if we can remember. Number 1, that's right, it's uno. Number 2, this is doing something I'm really not ready for. Number 2 now. Yes, number 2, I expect you're all screaming it by now, is dos. Number 3, I'll move that down here. Ooh, number 3, anybody? Okay, yes indeedy, tres. Number 4, cuatro. Move those two over there. So let's move that. And, oh my goodness, isn't technology great when you want it to be? Come on, number 4, that's it. Number 5. I expect you're saying it by now. Yes, indeedy. Number 5, cinco. Number 6. It's not quite there for you. Number 6 is seis. Number 7. There. Anybody got number 7? I don't expect you to remember this one because it is a bit more tricky. Siete. Siete. Number 8. It's like an octopus, this one. Ocho. Number 9. And here. Nueve. Okay, don't forget this V here says a B sound rather than a V sound. Last one then, number 10, the S. The S. Okay, so you need to know these numbers because they're going to help you later. Okay, I'm going to move the slides on. Here we go. We've got to move on to the numbers after 10. Okay, so the numbers after 10, They are, well, the first 5, they're not repeated anywhere else and you just have to know them. But after that, it gets much easier because it uses the numbers that you already know. Okay, here we go then. So, 11, 11. Let me hear you say 11. Fabulous. Okay, number 12. That one, 12. 12. Okay, you're going to see this again sometime, this one, but we'll move on. Number 13. 13. 13. Okay, number 14. 14. 14. Like this. Okay, number 15. This one, 15. 15. Like twins. If you know someone who's got 5 children, like twins, who are born on the same day, twins, can you see it there? 15. 15. Okay, so these ones are the ones that are unique. They are not found anywhere else. Okay, so you just have to know those ones. Sorry about that. Okay, have a quick practice now. You've got a minute to have a go at these ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do it now. Okay, just so I've got room, I'm going to get rid of these ones. So let me just do. Bing. Oh, 13. Well, by the way, what number is 13? That's right. It is 13. But we're going to get rid of it anyway. Here we go. Off you go, 13. Oh, doesn't want to play my game now. Here we go. There we go. Okay, let's move on. Because after 15, 15, then it gets a lot easier because the root of the word for the next few is 10, because it's basically 10 and whatever the number is. So turn to the person next to you, see if you can guess what I am going to type next. That's the 10 bit. So it's 10 and 6. Any thoughts? Okay, here we go. Oh, and actually, sorry, I've got to just sort this one out. It has an accent on it, this one. Okay, so indeed, this one, move this over here, this one is 16. You see, 10 and 6. Okay, let's have a go with the next one. Were you right? 17. 17. I'll tell you, you've got to put your teeth in for these ones, guys. Don't let your false teeth pop out of your mouth. It's terrible. Okay, so 17. 17. Have a go. Fantastic. Okay, here we go then with the next one. What's it going to be? Because it's this number here. am I going to put on the end of this one? Yes, you're so right. Ocho. Ocho. Okay, here we go then. Next one. 10. 9. Don't forget, don't say that as a V. Say it as a very, very soft B. Okay? Okay, so that is 19. Move him over there. There we go, 19. Fantastic. And then it gets very exciting because you change number. 20, type it here, is this. 20. 20. Okay? All right then. So now you've got these, you've got the start of something very beautiful because we're now going to move on to what's after 20. Here's 21. What do you think it's going to be? Yes, indeedy. 21. Okay. 21. 22. Any thoughts? Any thoughts? You know what this is? Yes, indeed. 22. 20. Yes, indeed. Again, 23. Oh, I've just got to sort out this one because, again, it's got an accent on it. Like this. 23. Okay. Can you guess the next one? Can you? Yes, indeed. It is 24. 24. 20. Yes, that's right. 25. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to give you a chance to work out what you think is the rest up until 29. Okay, so I'll type them in a minute, but I'm going to give you a chance to have a turn to your partner and talk to them about what do you think comes next. I'm leaving these up here because that's a bit of a clue. Actually, it's not that because it changes number, isn't it? When we get to 29, we've got to go on to the next 10. And that one, very excitingly, is this. Treinta, which is 30. Okay, this is where it gets slightly different because, as you can see, when it's in these teen numbers here, the words run into each other. When it's in these 20 numbers here, the words run into each other, but after 30, it stays separate. Let me show you what I mean. That. 30 and 1. And then from then on, it will be 30 and 30 and, okay, so each time it's 30 and 1, 30 and 2, 30 and 3, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so that's how you do the numbers up to 31. Okay, here we go. Now then, I do have a video about the months of the year, but I've just thought of one that I want to do with you next. Yeah, this is the point where you need to look at my super fun, well, it's not mine, but I found it on YouTube. It's amazing. My Spanish number rap. Enjoy for the next 2 minutes or so. Okay, now it's time for my video about the months of the year. Los meses del año. Enjoy this one too. It's really fun. Okay, now then, how can I move? Can I move me? Oh, I can move me. How exciting. I'm going to move me down here. Okay, so here's an instruction for you that I would like you to do. Levántense, por favor, todos. Everyone stand up, because we're going to play the video again now, and each time it's your birthday month, you need to do this. Oh, I'm going to have to move me again. Look, here I go. Ooh. Sit down, siéntense, por favor, when it's the month you were born. Okay, so we've got all these months up here. Let's have a quick practice actually before we do this of saying them. Okay, so we've got enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Fantastic. Okay then, so in this next time we play the video, you're going to sit down, siéntense, por favor, when it's the month you were born. Let's give this a go. Okay, let's try writing the date. This is the last thing we're doing together, so I'm hoping that you're having a good time doing this, and also you will be able to write your own birthday date. Can you imagine? Okay, here's mine. Yes, my birthday is the 28th of December. It's a great time to have a birthday. It means all your presents are one end of the year. And no, I don't accept birthday and Christmas presents together. Sorry about that. No can do. Okay, so if I was writing my birthday date in Spanish, which is what I want you to do, I would start off with this little word here, el. Because in Spanish, you don't just say what the date is, 28th of December, you say the 28th of December. Sometimes we do that in English too. So here's the. Then to your partner, think what I'm going to type next. Are you right? Okay, here we go. 28, okay, de, which means of, diciembre. Okay, now it's your go to have a go at writing your birthday date. Thanks for being with me. It's been fun. Work hard till the end of the lesson. I want to see what you get up to because I will come and check. Okay, catch you later. I've got to stop screen sharing and I've got to stop the video. My goodness, what?